All right, welcome back everyone. Happy 4th of July. We are grilling. Kind of a gloomy day today here in Arizona. But yeah, we're gonna check on the barbecue and show you what we're cooking up today. Some nice little gluten-free fun recipes. All right, so right off the bat, we're grilling up our corn. This is for our cornbread, and we've got our chili peppers here sweltering. We'll chop those up and cut the corn up for the cornbread. All right, so this is the corn from the grill. You just cut it right off the stalk. And then I chopped up our homegrown little peppers here and just kind of mix them throughout. And now we'll get the mix together. All right, so we're using Red Hill gluten-free cornbread mix, some eggs, milk. We're using olive oil, much healthier, and then you just dump this in, mix it all, and get it in your pan. Make sure to grease. All right, it's all done. 30 minutes, 375 in the oven. This is just one of the things we are cooking today for the 4th. All right, next part, the flourless apple, almond, ginger cake. Just getting these all peeled and cut up, and we're gonna saute them in a pan here. All right, sauteing the apples with a little bit of cinnamon and
cinnamon churn culture.
Cinnamon churn culture, which is local here in Arizona. You guys really should look into your butter and what you're using from stores and really understand what it's made out of. This is full grass-fed Arizona local butter, hand churned, no chemicals. And it's amazing the difference. Yeah, should give it a great flavor. So we saute this for a while and then take it off the heat. All right, all the almonds are chopped in here with ginger and baking soda. And then Nicole's doing some trivia with eggs. And we've got our liquor set. And of course, a little drink over here. Folding in the apples. Usually use golden raisins on this, but they didn't have any for some reason. This is all the eggs, truvia, almonds mixture. And it all gets tossed together and then gets baked in the oven. This looks amazing. All right. So we've got some Arizona churn culture butter on top, melted down. It's the cinnamon one that they sell.
Red apples as a topping.
And red apples, almonds, and the demerara sugar. Get that little bit of sweetness. And then we cook this for about an hour. And this little nice cast iron should really cook nicely and even. We'll show you how it looks when it comes out of the oven. All right. Got my Freedom glasses on here. Starting to grill up on the barbecue. Chicken has chili powder, some paprika, and a little Date Lady barbecue. Sun's kind of trying to come through. Not really that great, but you know. It's about 100 today, so yeah. And we got our corn on the cob on here too, so yeah. Let's get into the grill. Let's lift her up. Yeah, it's starting to get a little. Yeah, chicken's looking good. It's been marinating a couple hours. Yeah. All right. Freedom Tour back on. Let's get in the grill. All right, we got our Arizona churn culture just chilling there, warming up. Cornbread warming back up, and chicken looking good. All right, let's check it out. Look at that. Ooh, it's still hot. We're gonna go eat right now and come back to this later on and enjoy it. All right, look at it. Ooh, by the way, this butter is money. Look at that. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Zero sugar, root beer float, salad's looking good, little puppies coming out to join us. Cheers, everyone. Have an amazing holiday. God bless America.